The 52-inch Bayla is a windmill-style ceiling fan with reversible blades and a color-changing light. The fan is rated for indoor use only and is remote control operated. The fan is best suited for large rooms that are between 12 feet by 12 feet and 18 feet by 18 feet. The fan can be installed on standard ceilings and ceilings with a maximum slope of 18 degrees. Use the menu to skip ahead, or continue watching for the complete installation guide. To install the fan, you will need a UL listed outlet box that is for fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, screwdriver, wire stripper, and electrical tape. Begin by turning power off at the breaker. Prepare the canopy assembly by twisting and removing the canopy bottom cover. Loosen both mounting bracket screws. Twist and lift the canopy to remove the mounting bracket. On the ball down rod assembly, loosen the set screw and lower the ball off the down rod. Remove the cross pin and the ground lead. On the fan motor assembly, remove the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the two collar set screws. Slide the wires through the down rod and insert it into the collar. Align the holes, then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the two collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy bottom cover, and canopy over the down rod. Reinstall the hanger ball, being sure to attach the ground lead, insert the cross pin, and tighten the set screw against the side of the down rod. If you purchased a longer down rod to install on the fan, you can use the optional wire extender to provide more length. The wire extender is not required if using the down rod included with the fan. At the outlet box, loosen the two outlet box screws. Bring the mounting bracket up to the box and slide it over the screws. Tighten the screws securely. Carefully bring the fan motor up to the ceiling and place the ball into the mounting bracket. Turn the fan to align the groove in the ball with the tab on the bracket. Bring the receiver up to the ceiling and slide it into the mounting bracket with the flat side facing up. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, down rod, and mounting bracket together with a wire nut. Note that the ground wire from your ceiling box may be green or bare copper. Combine the white wire from the receiver with the neutral wire from the outlet box. Combine the black wire from the receiver with the hot wire from the outlet box. Connect the 3-pin wire connector from the receiver with the connector from the motor. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Carefully tuck the connections into the outlet box or around the receiver. Lift the canopy and align the holes with the hanger bracket screws. Twist to hold in place. Tighten both hanger bracket screws securely. If your screwdriver is too large, you can use a power bit to hand tighten the screws. Lift the canopy bottom cover and align the keyhole slots with the hanger bracket screws. Twist to lock into place. The ceiling mounting is complete, and the fan blades can now be installed. Bring the fan blade up to the fan and slide it into the slot on the motor with the desired side facing down. Align a blade support plate with screws over the holes, then tighten all screws securely. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Bring the LED light kit up to the fan and connect the 2-pin wire connectors. Locate the slots on the light kit. Locate the tabs on the motor's mounting ring. Align the light kit slots over the tabs and turn clockwise until snug. Power can safely be restored at the breaker. The assembly is complete and the remote is now ready for setup. This fan features an optional wall holder that converts the handheld remote into a wall control. For drywall installation, mount the remote control holder using the included drywall anchors and screws. For installation over a rocker switch, remove the 2 screws holding the cover plate. Align the remote control holder over the holes, then insert and tighten the included replacement cover screws. For installation over a toggle switch, remove the 2 screws holding the cover plate. Align the remote control bracket over the holes, then insert and tighten the included replacement cover screws. Clip the remote control holder over the bracket, then insert and tighten the bracket screws. Note that the bracket screws are short and will not damage the cover underneath. On the remote, install the included batteries. Press the on-off button to begin using the fan. By default, the remote's dip switch is in the 0 position and the fan is set to universal operation mode. It will accept commands from any remote in range. If you have multiple fans, they will all be able to work with the same remote. To have the fans paired to individual remotes instead, follow these 3 steps to set the fans to paired operation mode. First, set the dip switches in the battery compartments of all remotes to the 1 position. Second, turn off power to the fan being paired for a few moments. Then restore power. Third, within 30 seconds, press the Learn button in the battery compartment of the remote. The light will flash on and off and the fan will begin to spin to indicate the pairing was successful. Repeat the process for any remaining fans. Once completed, all paired fans will only accept commands from the remotes they were paired with. If you are experiencing issues with the fan, or want to set the fan to universal operation mode again, you can factory reset the fan's programming. First, set the dip switch to the 0 position. Next, turn off power to the fan for a few moments, then restore power. Third, within 30 seconds, press the Learn button in the remote. The fan light will flash on and off to indicate it has been factory reset. With the remote properly set up, the fan is now ready to operate. Press the power on/off button to toggle the fan and light on or off. Press the fan on/off button to toggle just the fan on or off. Press the fan speed buttons to increase or decrease the fan speed. The fan can be set to high speed, medium speed, or low speed. Press the light on/off button to toggle just the light on or off. Press and hold the light brightness buttons to increase or decrease the brightness of the light. Press the correlated color temperature button to cycle through the 3 color temperature options. The light can be set to 3000K soft white, 4000K bright white, and 5000K daylight. With the fan turned off, use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise to push air downward and produce a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. For technical support and other assistance, call the customer service number in your owner's manual.